Good morning, scholars. Happy Wednesday. Today for math, I really need you to grab a scratch piece of paper and a pencil because we're going to play a game and you guys are doing all of the work today minus a little help from Miss Smudgett. So grab that scratch piece of paper and that pencil and let's go ahead and get started. Now, I told you that you guys are going to be doing majority of the work, which means that I'm going to show you what I expect this time. And then going forward, you guys are going to do all the work. So the game is I'm going to show you a number and you are going to draw on your scratch piece of paper that number of circles. So as you can see, I have 17 on my board. So I'm going to draw 17. Now, to help me, I'm going to do the 5-way. 1, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to shade my first or those 5 in. $10. So I know I have 5, 10. I'm going to continue 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I'm going to shade those just so I can show you guys. We can quickly count. So I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Now, scholars, I am not expecting you to do this way. This was just so I could show you that we can count 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, or we could go 10 and 7, or we could go 10, 15, 16, 17. These are just all the different ways that we've been working on how to count from 10 and above. Now, what I expect is that all you guys need to do is draw 17 circles, or whatever number you see on the board, you're going to draw that number of circles. So if this were to be your piece of paper, and you saw the number 17, all you would have to do is draw 17 circles. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And you know what, scholars? I'm going to add something else in just because I want to challenge you and make sure that you guys are practicing writing those numbers. So on top of drawing your 17 circles, I just want you to write the number 17 under it so that you know that 17 can be drawn in a picture, and you also remember how to write the number 17. All right, scholars. So let's go ahead and get started. 18. So go ahead and remember to draw 18 circles and then write the number 18. While you guys do that, I'm going to erase this. All right, scholars, you should now have 18 circles on your scratch piece of paper and have written the number 18. 14. Go ahead and leave some space and draw 14 circles and then write the number 14. 16. All right, scholars, here's where I'm going to do a pulse check. So what you should be doing and what should be on your paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 circles, and the number 16 written out. 11. While you guys are doing that, I will erase my board just so you guys don't get confused and draw the number 16 and do 16 circles again. You guys are doing 11 circles and writing 11. Right, scholars, let's go on to the next number. 19. Ooh, this one's going to take some time. So I'm going to do it with you just because I miss doing math together. So 19. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see who can beat me if you guys are going to finish your circles faster. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I almost got tricked. I almost did 20 because I was so worried about beating you guys. So I have 19 circles. And I'm writing the number 19. All right, scholars, I want to try it this way because today was supposed to be a game in the classroom. I'm going to show you guys a number, and we are going to race to see if you can draw that number of circles faster than Miss Smajic. Now, to be done, you have to draw all the number of circles. So in this case, if the number were 19, you would have to draw 19 circles and write the number 19 before I do my circles and write the number 19. Let's see who is going to win. Number is 13. All right, let's see. Did you beat me? Now let's double check that Miss Smajic did 13 circles because I was going so fast that I might have made a mistake. You guys should be doing the same just to make sure you didn't make a mistake. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I did my 13 circles and I wrote the number 13. If you drew your 13 circles and wrote the number 13 before me, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. You guys win. All right, scholars, we have time for one more. Let's see. The number is 20. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who's going to win? Did you beat me? If you beat me, congratulations. I'm not as quick as I thought I was going to be. Well, now it is time for our exit ticket. We are going to do this exit ticket together, which means that you cannot go to the Google Classroom and complete it and then come back. And the reason why we're going to do this together is because this is a challenging concept that we haven't quite mastered, okay? So it says, what does the 1 represent? Now, remember when I said we haven't quite mastered this? It's because we haven't necessarily talked specifically about placeholders, and that's okay. This is just a challenging one because you guys are almost in first grade, so we are trying to push your guys' thinking and get you guys ready. So, what is the 1? I'm going to circle the 1. Represent. Now, think back to when we learned about the hide 0 cards. Remember, if I have the number 14 and I were to take away that 4, so move that 4 away, I would expose the 0 and see that it says 10, which tells me that the 1 is in the tens. So 1 tells me it's tens. So let's see which number has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what the 1 represents. The 1 represents the tens. So we have 10 ones and 4 ones. So we have 10 ones and 4. All right, scholars, great job today. Go ahead and continue to practice those flashcards and do your independent practice. And I will see you back for another lesson tomorrow on Thursday. Have a wonderful day. I miss you all so much.